YouTube, it's your girl Melanin MiMi here, or other, I mean, if you know me for real, my name is Maggie. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing y'all a Valentine's Day look, and I hope you guys like it. I already got one eye done, so yeah, it's going to look something like that. So let's get started. I'm also going to be featuring unicorn brushes from Wish that I won in a giveaway by my best friend. So I'm going to be featuring these brushes in the video. So first, we are going to start off by priming our eyelid. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild cruelty-free concealer. Well, photo focus, but it is cruelty-free. That's the reason I bought it. And it's in the shade, I do not know. I don't know what the shade is. Medium tawny, that's what it is. So we're going to place a little bit on our eyelid. Then we're going to take some Sacha Buttercup, just a little bit of Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and tap that into the concealer. And I'm going to take a blending brush, and I'm going into this shade Rum Plum Plum. And we're going to use that as our transition color. You can't really see it unless you get up close. I mean, I know y'all can see, probably see it a little bit. So that's our transition color. And then next, I will be going into, I will be taking a precise brush. It's not really blending. It's kind of like a precise type brush. And I'm going to go into this Hot Chocolate shade right here. I'm going to take a little bit and kind of use that underneath to just kind of, I got like folded eyelids, so it's a little hard. They so fat. Okay, so now that we have that blended out, I'm going to be taking a flat shader brush. They didn't have one in the unicorn set, so I'm taking a flat shader brush, and I will be going in. Oh, before we take the flat shader brush, we're going to do a half cut crease. They're not that hard. So I'm going to be taking this NYX concealer, and we're going to dip into that. And what I like to do is start off down here first, and then kind of do like this. And then you see that line I made up there. I'm going to take it all the way. It's going to look something like that. It can be messy. You can leave it messy. It ain't going to really matter in the end. Then what I like to do is take a beauty blender and just dip that out. And then I'm going to take a flat shader brush, and I'm going to actually, I don't have any pink color, so I just used my blush. And I'm going to take it on this flat shader brush and place it on top of that concealer. You're going to have a bunch of fallout, by the way. So we should be looking a little something like this. Once you got it looking like that, then we're going to take a fluffy blending brush, and we are going to go into that Hot Chocolate again, and just I've already primed my face with the Spackle primer and the Maybelline Baby Skin. So now I mixed together the Maybelline Dewy Smooth, Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation in the shade Mocha, and also the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Nut Brown. So I'm going to just place that all over my face. I'm going to take this flat brush that I got in the Unicorn set and see how good it buffs in my foundation. But I went in on top of the foundation I already have on and put that on, and it did okay, I guess you could say. So now we're going to take a beauty blender and go behind that. So I will be using the Rimmel London Match Perfection in 430 medium, and of course my Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I love this concealer. So first I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild directly under my eyes. And before it sets into your skin, we want to set it. So I'm going to be taking this beauty blender and placing some Sacha Buttercup setting powder under my eyes. Now, I will be taking this fluffy liquid and I'm going to take this, if I can find it. Oh, wait, chip break. Hey. This Black Radiant Soft Focus powder. And I'm going to go in, place. Okay, now we're gonna contour. I'm gonna take this brush and go into my Black Radiance True Complexion Medium to Dark palette. And I'm gonna take the contour and sculpt shade and mix them together. And then I'm gonna next we are going to contour our nose, and I had to tape it because it came off, and I was not about to risk using this brush because I love this when it comes to contouring my nose. And I'm going to take some more of that contour shade, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners and my nose and my chin and all that. And of course, we're going to take this last brush that I have left, and we are going to blush it out. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and I will be back. Okay, so I finished off my eyes and my face, rest of my face. So for lipstick, I used this NYC lip liner in brown and this velvet lipstick from Love and Beauty by Forever 21. And now I'm going to apply NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap on top of it.